Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer? No matter what the economy's doing, it's not just luck, it's strategy. And today, you're about to discover how the wealthy manage their investments, and why it's nothing like what average investors are taught. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have insider knowledge that could change the way you think about money forever. First things first, the wealthy don't think like everyone else. While most people chase hot stocks or viral crypto coins, the rich focus on long-term wealth preservation and growth. They invest with purpose, not emotion. And that's the first secret. They treat investing like a business, not a hobby. The rich rarely put all their eggs in one basket. Instead of relying solely on the stock market, they diversify across asset classes: real estate, private equity, hedge funds, even art and collectibles. This is called strategic asset allocation, and it's designed to protect wealth in any market condition. They don't react, they position. Here's something the average investor rarely hears. The wealthy get access to exclusive investment opportunities: pre-IPO stocks, private placements, early-stage startups. These aren't available to the public, and they often offer higher returns with lower competition. Why? Because money attracts opportunity. But don't worry, we'll show you how to start opening these doors, even on a smaller scale. The rich don't avoid risk, they manage it. They use tools like trusts, insurance, and legal entities to protect their assets. And when they invest, they focus on downside protection first, then upside potential. In other words, they play defense and offense simultaneously. If there's one thing the wealthy invest in more than anything else, it's education. They read, they network, they hire coaches. They know that being financially illiterate in today's world is dangerous. And guess what? The good news is, you can do the same. Now that you know how the wealthy manage their investments, which of these strategies will you start using today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building insights, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, wealth is built intentionally, not accidentally.